Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Restart Garage POV channel. I'm driving across a wide open field. The bright spring sun is shining. The snow has almost completely melted. Look, I think there's a car over there. Maybe it's abandoned and I can restore it. Let's go check it out. Alright, I need to turn off the road. The off-road is still wet. I hope I don't get stuck in the mud. The car is already very close. I can see it clearly now. Wow, it looks unusual. The colors are very bright and there's something on the roof. Looks like someone is sitting in the passenger seat. Maybe the person is not feeling well? I should check. This all looks very strange. Tricky, this is a girl's car. Tricky's car. Got it. The driver's door is open, like something happened here. And by the way, that's Tricky's surfboard on the roof. Cool. I wonder what's in the back seat. Wow, is that a jetpack? That's insane. That's an incredibly cool find. I'll put it on and try it. The jetpack is on me, but it looks like there's no fuel. I'll deal with it later at the base. Wait a second, that's a human leg. What? Something is very wrong here. Miss Tricky, are you okay? She's not responding, and at first glance, she doesn't look well. By the way, the windshield is out of place. That's not good. I need to get her out of there. Are you okay? Oh my god, what the? Her head fell off. How is that possible? Wait, is this just a doll? This is all fake. Props, just decoration. And I got worried. I'm interested in this surfboard. Wait a second. Tricky board, jetpack. This reminds me of a game, but which one? I can't remember. Guys, write in the comments if you know where this is from. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My dream is to reach 100,000 subscribers. And let's see what's under Tricky's hood. There's soot here. Did the engine catch fire? Damn, the cover is missing. Not good. The fuel hose is not connected to the carburetor. I'll have to deal with that, but first, let's check the interior. Wow, something unusual. A box with a secret surprise, but it's empty. Too bad. Wait a second, this is more interesting. More Tricky markings. I get it already. It's Tricky's abandoned car, but Tricky isn't real. It's some character. Oh, this is from Subway Surfers. They draw graffiti and run from the guard on the railway. But the paint is already dry. This car has been here for a long time. Another character from the game, Utani. Oh, there's still paint left in this spray can. Nice. I'd like to do some graffiti, but I better watch out for angry guards. Wow, that's a huge coin. Oh, I get it. It's a gold coin. They collect these in the game and trade them for skins and boosts. By the way, do you like Subway Surfers? Oh, a star key. I wonder what it does. Write in the comments and I'll lie down for a bit. I'll put the board inside for now. Let's try to start this tricky car from Subway Surfers. There's no power. The controls are not working. Everything here is really strange. What a wreck. Just like this tricky next to me. Put it in neutral. I'll check under the hood again. Here's the cooling hose. I need to put it back. Like this. Now I need to secure it with bolts. Oh, here's the battery cable with the terminal. And here's the fuel hose. Good thing nothing is lost. I need to keep inspecting and find all missing parts. Here's the cap for the cooling system. I'll use these bolts to secure the connection. Great, now I need a wrench. I'll tighten everything properly. Perfect. And here are the spark plugs. One moment. I should treat the spark plug sockets with a special fluid. This hose end needs to go back into the container. And I need to fill the radiator with water. I don't have any with me, but there's a river nearby. Like this. Pouring water into the radiator. Oops. And closing the cap. Now I install the battery. And attach the terminals. Like this. Power is coming in, but I still need to fix the fuel system and ignition system. I grab the tools. I start installing the spark plugs into the clean sockets, and while I do that, write what other cool cars you'd like to see. Tightening them all the way. Now I need to add fuel. I attach the hose since the fuel tank here is small with a narrow neck and located under the hood. Right here, I realized that when I saw the wet fuel hose earlier. That's enough. Don't forget the jetpack. I'll put it in my SUV. Final checklist. Spark plugs. Okay. Cooling. Okay. Fuel system. Okay. Connecting the fuel hose to the tank. Water is spilling from the radiator, but that's fine. There was just too much. We can go for a test drive in the restored tricky car from Subway Surfers. Tricky's leg is stuck in a hole at the bottom. It might break while driving. Alright, let's ride with the wind like surfers. The door won't close, but that's fine. The main thing is the car works, and I managed to restore it. This kind of junker is perfect for driving through fields, but I wouldn't take it into the city. It's too bright and cool. They wouldn't understand. Damn, I got stuck in a puddle. The wheel is spinning. Actually, no. I can move forward in first gear at low RPM. Or maybe not. Why did I even drive here? It seems to go fine in reverse. Damn, stuck again. That's enough for me. Turning everything off. Let's take one more look at Tricky's car and I'll tow it back to the base. And you subscribe to the channel if you liked this video and want to see more crazy stories about unusual cars. Let's take one last look at today's find, and I'm saying goodbye.